In this question it is given that along a straight streamline, the velocity of fluid particle remains constant. No. In a streamline flow, the depends upon the area of cross section of container or the tube through which it is moving. Its velocity can change. Like if you are considering a streamline flow of liquid through a pipe, something like this. We know that over here area of cross section is more, there the velocity is less, and here the area of cross section is less, where the velocity is more. But still it can be like a streamline flow. So streamline flow doesn't mean that velocity of fluid particle remains constant. Next one, the velocity of fluid particle crossing a given position is constant. So velocity of fluid particle crossing a given point is a constant. Yes, exactly. Suppose if you are considering a point over here, so at this particular point, let's say velocity is v. So whenever a molecule is reaching over here, its velocity will be equal to v. So velocity of all fluid particles crossing a given position, at one particular point velocity will be a constant. Next one, velocity of all fluid particle at a given instant is constant. At a particular instant, different fluid particle may have different velocity. It's not necessary that all the particles should have same velocity, so this option is also wrong. Speed of fluid particle remains constant. No, it's streamlined doesn't mean that speed is a constant. Speed can change, but at a particular point, whenever a molecule is reaching, it should have a same velocity. So D option is also wrong.